Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Everyday Speak English. This is day 2 of your 30-day shadowing journey. I'm Julie, and today we're going to practice something that every English learner needs in real life: how to introduce yourself confidently in English. This lesson is perfect for beginner and intermediate learners who want to sound more natural, more relaxed, and more confident when speaking English. Today, I'll speak slowly and clearly so you can improve your listening, pronunciation, speaking rhythm, and confidence through shadowing practice. So grab your earphones, relax, and repeat after me. Let's get started. Introducing yourself may sound easy, but for many English learners, it can feel stressful. Sometimes you know the words in your head, but when it's time to speak, you suddenly become nervous. Your voice becomes quiet, you forget simple vocabulary, or you worry too much about grammar mistakes. But here's something important to remember. You do not need perfect English to make a good first impression. You only need simple sentences, clear pronunciation, and confidence. That's it. A simple introduction can help you make friends, start conversations, feel comfortable in English, and create new opportunities in life. When you introduce yourself, you are giving someone a small picture of who you are. Usually, a good introduction includes your name, where you're from, what you do, and something you enjoy. You don't need to tell your whole life story. A few natural sentences are enough. With practice, your English will start sounding smoother and more confident. Imagine this situation. You are attending an English-speaking event for the first time. You see someone smiling at you. They say, "Hi, nice to meet you." What can you say? You can say something simple like this. "Hi, my name's Alex. I'm from Thailand, and I currently work as a graphic designer. In my free time, I enjoy photography and listening to music." That sounds natural, friendly, and confident. Now the other person already knows your name, your country, your job, and one of your hobbies. And just like that, the conversation begins naturally. Short and natural sentences are powerful. Let me tell you a quick story. Last year, my friend Daniel moved to Australia for work. On his first day, he felt very nervous because everyone around him spoke English confidently. At a small cafe, the cashier asked him, "So, where are you from?" Daniel smiled and answered, "I'm from South Korea. I just moved here for work, and I'm still improving my English." The cashier smiled and replied, "Your English sounds great." That short conversation made Daniel feel much more confident. Later, he told me, "I realized people care more about communication than perfect grammar." And that's true. Most people appreciate confidence, friendliness, and effort. After introducing your name and country, you can talk about your job or studies. If you are a student, you can say, "I'm currently studying business management at university," or "I'm preparing for my IELTS exam." If you work, you can say, "I work as a web designer," or "I work for a travel company." You can also add a little detail about your personality or interests. For example, "I really enjoy creative work," or "I love meeting new people." These small details make your introduction more interesting and personal. Hobbies are another great way to continue conversations. For example, "I enjoy traveling, hiking, and trying new coffee shops." Someone might answer, "Oh, really? I love coffee too." And now you have a real connection. That is why introductions are so important. They open doors to conversations, friendships, and opportunities. Now let's look at a casual introduction. Listen carefully. "Hey, nice to meet you. I'm Alex. I'm originally from Bangkok, but I've been living in Chiang Mai for the past year. I work as a content creator, and in my free time, I enjoy photography and exploring cafes around the city." Now let's look at a more formal introduction. This style is useful for job interviews, meetings, or networking events. "Good afternoon. My name is Alex Johnson. I currently work as a marketing assistant for an international company. I graduated with a degree in business communication, and I'm passionate about improving my professional English skills. Notice something important. Even formal English should still sound warm and friendly. Don't sound like a robot. Natural English always sounds better.
Body language is also very important when introducing yourself. Try to smile naturally, maintain eye contact, stand confidently, and speak slowly and clearly. Your body language changes how people feel about you. Even simple English sounds powerful when your body language is confident. Now let's begin some shadowing practice. I will say a sentence slowly, then pause, and you repeat after me. Ready? Let's begin. Hello, my name is Alex. I'm 26 years old. I'm originally from Thailand. I currently live in Bangkok. I work as a graphic designer. I really enjoy creative work. In my free time, I enjoy photography and listening to music. I also love traveling and learning English. One of my biggest goals is to speak English confidently. I practice English every day because I want to improve my communication skills. People usually describe me as friendly and hardworking. I enjoy meeting people from different cultures. I'm very happy to practice English with you today. Excellent job. Now let's practice a longer introduction at natural speed. Try to copy the pronunciation, rhythm, and emotion. Hello, everyone. My name is Alex, and I'm originally from Thailand. I currently work as a graphic designer in Bangkok. I enjoy creative projects because they allow me to express new ideas every day. In my free time, I enjoy photography, listening to music, and exploring new cafes around the city. I'm also passionate about improving my English because I want to communicate confidently with people from around the world. One of my biggest goals is to travel internationally and experience different cultures. People usually describe me as calm, friendly, and hardworking. I believe daily practice is the key to improving any skill. Fantastic work. Now, here's another useful tip. Many English learners speak too quickly because they feel nervous. But confident English speakers usually speak slowly and clearly. Slow English sounds more natural and professional. So don't rush. Take your time. Breathe. And focus on clear pronunciation. Another great practice method is recording yourself. Try recording your introduction once every week. Then listen carefully. You'll notice your pronunciation improving little by little. This is one of the fastest ways to build speaking confidence. You can also practice introductions for different situations. For example, introducing yourself to new friends, introducing yourself in class, introducing yourself in a job interview, or introducing yourself during an online meeting. The more situations you practice, the more natural your English becomes. Now, let's do one final shadowing practice together. Repeat after me. Good morning, everyone. My name is Alex Johnson, and I'm originally from Thailand. I currently work as a web designer and enjoy creating digital content for online businesses. In my free time, I love photography, traveling, and discovering new cafes. I'm passionate about improving my English communication skills because I want to connect with people from different countries and travel more confidently in the future.
I'm excited to continue learning English and meeting new people from around the world. Amazing job today. Today you practiced speaking clearly, introducing yourself naturally, improving pronunciation, and building confidence in English conversations. Remember, fluent English is built through daily speaking practice, repetition, and confidence. So continue practicing every day. And don't be afraid of mistakes. Mistakes are part of learning. Thank you so much for practicing with me today. If you enjoyed this shadowing lesson, please like, subscribe, and join the Everyday Speak English family. And comment below, what's your dream country to visit someday? See you in the next lesson. Bye, everyone.